Sources of history. What is history? History is chronological, scientific and systematic account of past events. For example, if we don't know the name of emperors of Delhi, we will not be able to arrange the events chronologically that took place during medieval age. Four important viewpoints of history are individual, society, place, and time. If we consider any historical event, we should know all the above 4 points. But if any point is missing, we will not be able to say anything complete about that event. Like the third battle of Panipat. If we don't know any of the above 4 points, we will not be able to write any confirmed history about it, as in history we cannot say maybe. History must be based on authentic evidences and proofs. These are known as sources of history. As history cannot be predicted, we need authentic proofs. As we cannot state that ABC king used to wear modern Englishman clothes, for that we need some proofs like painting or photographs, etc. Sources of history are classified as material sources, written sources, oral sources. Firstly, material sources. For example, memorials, buildings, caves, sculptures, inscriptions, coins, copper plates, and forts. Memorials and buildings we get from memorials and buildings. We get an idea of lifestyle, standard of living of that era. Likewise, coins give us an idea about language, beliefs, as we find images of different deities at different times. Written sources. Documents of proceedings in the courts of the kings, genealogy, Shakhavali, correspondence, dispatches, etc. From these types of sources, we come to know the relations between the royals. Also, the court proceedings give us an idea about law and procedure at that time. Also, we come to know about language at the said times. Oral sources, folk songs, povadas, legends, abhangas, etc. These kind of sources give us picture about what society thought about rulers and other social issues prevalent at that time. Like in Povadas of Shivaji Maharaj, we find portrayal about his valor, decisiveness, love for justice, etc. So, sources of history are important that wise. Thank you.